Listing of Pi network is tomorrow, less than 24 hours from here, and a lot of people are actually battling with withdrawal to their different exchanges. So in this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can copy your wallet address and how you can successfully transfer your Pi token to your exchange and being able to trade tomorrow after launching. So now the first thing for you to do is to first go to your exchange and copy your Pi token address. That's your wallet address. Then you come back to your Pi account and make a transfer to it. Follow me as I show you step by step, guide. So if you come to your Bitget account, you can see here, you can see add funds. So you're going to click on add fund. You're going to select deposit crypto from here. So when you select deposit crypto, you're going to use the search bar at the top. So you're going to type in PI. You can see Pi network here. So when you select the Pi network, then here you are going to see the address. Then the network must always be Pi network. You get the point. So I'm going to copy it. So I'm going to show you now in Gate.io how to copy your wallet address. So when you come to your Gate.io account, so all you need to do is to come here. Then from here you are going to see deposit. So from deposit you are going to click on on-chain deposit. So from on-chain deposit you're going to, on the search bar you're going to type in PI. So from your PI you're going to see Pi network. So when you click on Pi network, you're going to see your wallet address. Then network, you're going to see Pi network. So you can use either Gate.io or Bitget, any of the two, the one you are okay with or the one you have an account with. The other exchange you can actually use also. So when you are done, then you now proceed to your Pi network account and complete the process. So you come to your Pi network, then at the top left corner you are going to select it. So you click there. Then from there you are going to select Pi utility. So after clicking on your Pi utility, as you can see from where I highlighted, you're going to select wallet. So from your wallet, you are going to be required to provide or paste your 24-word key phrase. So you paste it there, then you unlock. Then from here, you are going to click on pay or request. So from here, it said manually add wallet address. So you are going to click on that. So from here, you are going to paste the wallet address you copy from exchange. So here you paste it there. So then after pasting, that is all you need to do. Then the next thing you need to do here is to indicate the amount of Pi you want to send and the equivalent fee. You are going to see it down below. You get the point. So when you are done with that, you are going to select send. So in few minutes, your fund will reflect in your exchange wallet. Then you can now be prepared for listing tomorrow. It's very simple, easy, and straightforward. So if you still have any issue, kindly drop it in the comment section so that we can attend to it as quick as possible.